Hi friends, we have a nice equation 3 to the power x plus 5 to the power x minus 9 to the power x plus 15 to the power x minus 25 to the power x is equal to 1, right? We have to solve this equation. Let's start. 3 to the power x plus 5 to the power x minus this can be written as 3 to the power 2x, right? Plus this as 3 to the power x into 5 to the power x minus this 5 to the power 2x is equal to 0, right? Now let 3 to the power x is equal to a and 5 to the power x is equal to b. So this equation will change as a plus b minus a square plus ab minus b square is equal to 1, right? Now minus a square minus b square plus ab a plus b plus ab minus 1 is equal to 0, right? If we multiply by minus sign, so we have a square plus b square minus a minus b minus ab plus 1 is equal to 0, right? If we divide this equation by 2 and multiply by half, right? So we have 2a square plus 2b square minus 2a minus 2b minus 2ab plus 2 is equal to 0, right? Now half. If we rearrange this equation as a square minus 2a plus 1, right, plus b square minus 2b plus 1, right, and plus a square plus b square minus 2ab is equal to 0, right? Now half. This is expression of a minus 1 whole square plus this as b minus 1 whole square plus this can denote as a minus b whole square is equal to 0, right? Now we have three cases. First, as a minus 1 whole square is equal to 0 and b minus 1 whole square is equal to 0 and a minus b whole square is equal to 0, right? So a minus 1 is equal to 0 or a is equal to 1, right? As we have assumed a is equal to 3 to the power x is equal to 1 can be written as 3 to the power 0, right? So x is equal to 0, right? And here same way we can write b is equal to 1 and b is assumed as 5 to the power x is equal to 1 as 5 to the power 0, so x is equal to 0, right? Here a will be equal to b, right? As a 3 to the power x 3 to the power x is equal to 5 to the power x, right? So 3 to the power 0 is equal to 5 to the power 0, right? 1 1. Okay, thank you.